Alright, here we go. Remember the last video I did on the rough lumber that we got last weekend? I'm going to try to get started today. The weather holds up. I'm going to try to get started on installing some of this wood on the bottom like I told in the video. Now we're going to make an underpinning to go under here out of that wood. So we're going to try to get started. I'm not really going to explain how I'm going to do it. We'll just do the video and kind of see what's going on. And if you have any questions, just put it in the comment section or critiques. But one of the first things I got to do is these two massive boulders that we brought down from the upper part of the property. We were going to do this in stone, but we just could decide to use stone for other things, and this wood was free, so we're going to use it. But I'm going to have to move these two, so that's one of the first things I got to do. And just in case you're wondering, if you've ever wondered about the battery powered weed eaters, yeah, it's not going to do a bunch of bush hogging for a good period. But I tell you, for a battery powered weed eater, and this is pretty economical. I think I paid a little bit over $100 for it, and it's got comes with a 4 amp hour battery. It'll last you, doing weed eating like I'm doing right here, it'll last you a good 45 minutes or so. So most normal yards, it do just fine. I know the house we used to have, it did fine. And it's just a nice little weed eater. By the way, that was a Craftsman weed eater I was just talking about, in case you were wondering. You can get it at your local Lowe's. Well, good morning. It's day 2. Yesterday started raining on us, so I cleaned up wet inside, and rain stopped a little bit later on, but by that time I was out of the mood. So back for day 2. You can kind of see how far I've got, and I don't know if it's in the shot or not. Continue around that way, hoping to get that much done today. See what happens. Chewy, have you been in the creek? Did you get muddy in the creek? Look at me. Chewy, look at me. Why are you hiding from the camera, Chewy? You know you're going to be getting a bath at the end of the day, right? Huh? Alright, I hope you got the chipmunk. Hope you got him. Okay, we're pretty much done for the day on this. I got a couple other little daily chores I have to get done before I go back to work tomorrow. So, but here's what we've got done so far. We've actually got pretty good amount done today, or I did. It's not a I didn't use a level on any of it. I didn't want to use a level on it because pretty impossible really with the way some of these pieces are cut, so I just lined them up the best I could and come back around where we started at yesterday before the rain. And then I still got this back here to do, but as you can see, I got some rock I gotta have to get out of the way, some tools and stuff, weed eat down the grass, so got a feeling that's gonna start happening slowly this coming week or maybe next Saturday. But we've only got that much more left to do on the front, so I really feel good about what I got done anyway, considering it is hot out here. So catch us on the next video to hopefully see it complete. Appreciate it if you could like our videos and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and hit the notification button so you can get videos when we're coming out with them, and then share with your friends so we can hopefully get this channel growing. We've only been going for a few weeks, so if you notice there's not that many subscribers, that's why. 2 of them are me and my wife. So God bless, and have a good week, and we'll see you next time.